Good day, everyone. I'm Msizi Nxumalo from Pepeta Primary under Gwala. We were invited here at Sun Pass Hotel as PLC coordinators. We were learning from Dr. Mlaba how the PLC coordinators were formed to close the gap, since we do not have in education enough subject advisors, so we are closing the gap between the department and the educators. So we were learning more about the assessments, how to assess, because the subject advisors are not enough, so we must go back to school and coordinate and pass the information to other educators who were not here. We learned a lot and we were very developed, as there was Dr. Tobela, our maths advisor. So we learned a lot. So we are taking this information back to schools, back to PLC coordinators, so that all the schools will be very developed under Gwala. And the most important part, it's where we were learning about new methods of how to teach. So we are basically learning and unlearning what we knew, so that we will learn the new stuff and take it back to educators, because in mathematics we are having a low pass rate. So this has encouraged us so that it will boost the pass rate, and all the educators will be very developed as we are going to pass it to our PLCs, to all the circuits.